Hello and welcome to the manual of MicroUPS by RegalDream Technologies. The image shows the drawing of MicroUPS when viewed from the front. The big port, USB-A type, gives the output from the MicroUPS. This is to be connected to the device which the MicroUPS has to supply the power to. The device should run on 5 volts supply. Connect the cable from this port to the device which you want to power. Some devices which can be powered from MicroUPS are Google Home Mini, Amazon Echo Dot 2nd generation, and most Wi-Fi security cameras, such as the MI1080p security camera or the EIoT outdoor camera. The smaller port, microUSB-B type, is the input supply port of MicroUPS. The output of the adapter, which otherwise should have gone to the device, is to be connected here. In short, connect the output of the adapter to this port. Your installation is now complete. We will look into what the light indicators mean. MicroUPS has 3 indicator lights, which you can see from the top. The blue light indication is for charging. When this LED glows, it means that the MicroUPS is charging its battery from the input. The green light indication means that the MicroUPS is now turned on and is giving the output power via the output port. The red light indication means the MicroUPS is now using its battery to power the devices in absence of input power. This is how the indicators are meant to be. The MicroUPS can be used to connect to any device with 5 volts input and 0 to 2 ampere current requirement. The device should also have a cable to be plugged into the USB port of the MicroUPS. Hope you have now understood the usage. Please share your feedback with us so that we can improve our product. You may contact us at support@regaldreamtech.com. Thank you.